homeland, while the Catatonians wish to take the planet for themselves. There is one powerful device that can ensure victory for either side: the Regenerator. In the hands of the freedom fighters, the Regenerator could terraform Mars, creating a safe haven for all mice. The Catatonians could use it to claim the planet for themselves. A general of the Martian Freedom Force, Stoker, is the only one who knows how to build the Regenerator. Stoker has gone to Earth in search of molecules vital to the device's construction. After the mice mysteriously lost contact with Stoker,
You know, nobody's made contact with General Stoker for over 3 months. He's just laying low, working on a new regenerator. Stoke will find us when he's ready. I say we chill for a while. Even Studley heroes like us need a little R&R.
Studley? Oh, brother. Wait until you guys get a load of these new weapon systems I've been working on.
Hey, looking sweet, babe. Now, what are we gonna do about lunch?
Why don't one of you chuckleheads go grab us some grub?
He'll go.
I don't care who goes. Just somebody go already. Yo, bros, I'm starving here. Just hit that hot dog joint down the street and get your tails back here. Press the accelerate button to move forward and the brake button to stop. Doing great. Watch out for those sticks in the road.
Great! Catatonian!
Oh, no sweat with these cata-creeps. Press the fire button to fire your primary weapon, and you'll send them back to the litter box. Nice going, Rose. Remember, I gassed your rides with special boosters. So, when you kick in the booster, you're gonna be moving super fast. Press the boost button to try it out. Try this. Pop a wheelie, use the controls shown on your screen. Check this out. If you boost while in the middle of a wheelie, you can jump into the air. Try it. You just found some dumbfire missiles. Press the secondary weapon button to fire them. They're powerful. You just found some homing missiles. Unlike dumbfire missiles, these will track your target. The target indicator will appear when your homing missiles have locked up. Then, just fire and forget. You can switch the target of your homing missiles by pressing the switch target button. They're attacking from the rear. Your bike has rear weapon for a reason. Use your mind to shake them. finally. I'm starving.
All right.
Mars to Earth. Come in. This is General Carbide. I have some information on General Stoker. Mars to Earth. Come in. I have some information on General Stoker.
We're here, General.
Stoker may be hiding out in an abandoned building on the south side. I want you to go down there and see what you can find out.
Right away, General. This could be it, bros. Oh, I'm sorry to ruin your dinner, but we got a jet. Let's get to that warehouse, pronto.
Oh, man.
Don't talk with your mouth full, Vincent. It's disgusting.
Yeah.
Mars to Earth, come in. This is General Carbide.
Where's that rabid rodent, Stoker? Hairball says he's here in the warehouse. Oh.
Looks like he was here, but he's not here anymore.
Oh, it's Cataclysm and his clawed kitty creeps. Time to put the cat out for the night.
I thought I smelled vermin. Set a trap for this marauding mouse. I'm going after Stoker.
Let's whip some tail. This is a brawl. We have two basic attacks, fast attack and strong attack. Try them now.
You got it! You can also perform combo moves by using different combinations of fast attack and strong attack. Experiment to find many combos. Don't forget to block, bro. It'll help you survive longer.
General Carbine, we hit the warehouse as planned, but, ain't no Stoker. Think we just missed him. All we found was a litter box dirty with claw troopers.
Yeah, Stoker was there, all right. Okay, soldier. Satellite intelligence has picked up big-time readings of tetrahydrocarbons in downtown Chicago. And where there's tetrahydrocarbons, there's...
Stoker! We're on it, babe. I mean, Carbine.
And Throttle? Be careful out there.
Remember, get to the source of those tetrahydrocarbon readings in downtown Chicago. Ronaldo Rump Goon. Very interesting. I wonder if Rump is behind these tetrahydrocarbon readings. He does have a regenerator.
Whoa, hold up, Rose. I think I smell money. And that means...
Ronaldo Rump.
Oh, yeah. It's old Rump Roast, all right.
You sure about this, Mr. Rump? You've been using that regenerator a lot lately. It's gonna run out of power soon.
No, my boy. This is, how you say, no problemo. You see, I have captured General Stoker, and I have him locked in Rump Plaza building me a brand new regenerator. Es muy bueno, no?
But what if those biker mice show up to spring him? Or the Catatonians? They want him too.
Cat or rat is all the same, no? Now, move out of the way. It is time to play America's favorite game, Mucho Dinero! Chihuahua! It is a most beautiful sight.
Looks like Lard Lips has got Stoker tied up by the tail. Hey, Pork Butt! You know what time it is? It's tail whipping time! Ow! Let's roll!
Ooh, I see those mangy mice have joined the party. Attention all goons! Bring me the tails of the biker mice from Mars!
Looks like a job for Megabyte. To use Megabyte, make sure your adrenaline meter is full. Then press the control shown on your screen. Pick up adrenaline to fill up your adrenaline meter. Your adrenaline meter is full. Press the control shown on your screen to use Megabyte.
Put 'em up, bros. Time to rock 'em and sock 'em. And that's what we found out, General. We've got to rescue Stoker from Rump. Pronto.
Great detective work, boys. This is the closest we've ever come to finding Stoker. You'll need to ride to Rump Plaza and get Stoker the old-fashioned way. By whipping some tail. since Rump has been alerted. The plaza will be well fortified. Good luck, boys.
Bueno, the rats have arrived. You know, I knew you'd come after your friend, so I warmed up my limousine. But these are ordinary limos. No, no, no. They are armored, equipped with the state-of-the-art weaponry. So now, prepare to die. I am so funny.
Take out those guns on the side of the limo first. Grab those missiles. I bet that'll knock through their armor.
No, my limos! What should we do now?
Mr. Rump, we gotta get Stoker out of here into somewhere safe. Those mice are gonna rescue him if we don't.
Aye. Maybe you're right. Calling all goons. Put Stoker in our best limo and get him out of here. Andale!
Mr. Rump, the mic is on.
Aye. You all right, bro?
Yeah, I'm fine. But man, I have a mean headache.
Stoker, bro! I can't believe we finally found you. I am never gonna let you out of my sight again.
It's good to see you again, old friend.
Come on, bros. Let's get back to the garage. It's not safe out here.
Mars to Earth. Come in. This is General Carbine.
We're here, General. And Stoker is here with us.
Stoker! Ah, I'm so glad you're in one piece.
So am I. You've got quite a crack team here, General.
Good work, biker mice. Now down to business. Stoker, we need you to build a new regenerator to help us terraform Mars and defeat the Catatonians once and for all.
General, I will be honored to construct a regenerator. However, it is not so simple. First, I will need to set up a lab. I need some complex equipment and chemicals.
Let me look through my files. Aha, here we go. Looks like Ronaldo Rump owns a chemical plant on the south side. Okay, biker mice, get to that plant and get Stoker whatever he needs by any means necessary.
No problem, General.
And speaking of Ronaldo Rump, I've intercepted a transmission between Rump and the Catatonians. See for yourselves.
Hola, Commander Hairball. I would like to talk a little business.
Business with you? That is interesting. Thus far, you have been as much of pain to me as these dreadful biker mice.
I know. Ronaldo has been selfish. But Hairball, why dwell on the past? What's done is done, no? I get to the point now. These biker mice have become quite a trouble to both of us, no? Just today, they kidnapped Stoker away from me. How will I get a new regenerator now? How?
So, what do you want from me, Mr. Vrap?
Hairball, let us team up. Join our forces. Together, we can defeat those mangy mice and take Stoker back. We'll force that rodent to build us each a regenerator. Sounds good, no?
Oh, that is intriguing, Mr. Vrap. But how can I trust you?
We have no choice but to trust each other. Come on, Harry. Do you mind if I call you Harry? Do we have a deal?
I think we will have to working out some details, but... Mr. Vrab, we have deal.
Muy bueno. Together we will crush those mice once and for all. I look forward to working with you, Commander Harry. How you say in America? See ya.
Oh, this is bad news. Our two rivals have become one.
Boys, this fight is about to get harder than ever. Now get down to Rump's chemical plant and get Stoker what he needs.
Right away, General. Rose, let's rock and ride! Oh, great. This place is full of rump goons. Well, we'll just have to take them out to get our hands on those lab supplies. All right, I've got the lab supplies. Now, back to the Last Chance Garage. General, we got some good news. We got the lab supplies, and Stoker is setting up his lab right now.
Excellent work, boys.
I've just finished setting up my lab, but I need a couple more pieces of equipment. I hid some spares out in the city for just such an occasion. A hydrocarbon detector and a containment unit. But I'll need the biker mice's help to retrieve them.
Well, you heard him, boys. Help Stoker retrieve his equipment.
Ooh, downtown. That's where all the action is. That must be it. It looks like Stoker's work, all right. We've been followed!
Got him, fellas! Oh, and the boss wants us to destroy that, hydrocarbon, what is it, too?
most of them?
Oh well, let's get that thing and get out of here.
That was close. Good work, Biker Mice. Now, I just need that containment unit. I hid it near your location. Find it!